Hi everyone, welcome to Art with Kendra. In today's video, I'm going to be drawing a sketch note about chameleons. And as a reminder, a sketch note is a form of visual note-taking that combines images with words. So I like to start off with a key image that helps to communicate what my notes are going to be about, in this case, a chameleon, and I like to have a title. Now, chameleons have a tongue that is 2 times as long as their body. It also has a very sticky end, which helps them to catch bugs, and they shoot it out very fast. So the tongue can go out in as quickly as 0.07 seconds. Now, chameleons like to eat insects, all kinds of insects, big ones, little ones, and some chameleons will actually eat small reptiles depending on their size. But mostly we're going for juicy grasshoppers, butterflies, spiders, larger flies, cockroaches, that sort of thing. And they do have a slow metabolism, so they don't actually need to eat that much. Now, they range in size from 1 to 2 inches as a small one, medium ones 6 to 10 inches, and large ones can be 27 inches. And there's 200 different species alive today, so as you can imagine, we have a big range in different size and lifespan, all of that stuff. Now, chameleons were first discovered to be around 100,000 years ago. That's the oldest recorded chameleon, so they are considered to be ancient reptiles. Now, chameleons are well known for their camouflage ability. They can actually change color, and they do this for a variety of reasons, the number one reason being temperature control. So when they are feeling cold, they will actually darken their skin. This helps them to absorb heat, and when they're feeling warm, they will actually lighten their skin. They will also change color to indicate that they are looking for a mate and to impress the members of the opposite sex, and of course to hide or camouflage in their surroundings. Their color is also used as a way to communicate, a way to show if they are feeling happy, sad, whatever emotion they have, or if they're feeling sick, they will also change color. So if you have a pet chameleon and you notice it changing color to more of a gray tone, you might want to get it checked out. Now, chameleons have amazing vision. It's very interesting, actually, how their eyes work. They have really good depth perception for a reptile, and they have two-way focus, so they can focus on 2 different things at one time. Their eyes work independent from each other. Unlike ours, which work together, we have binocular vision. Now, they never blink. And because their eyes have such a wide scope and they're so round and they can move in 2 different directions, they have 360-degree vision when they stay still. So they don't actually need to move around, which helps them to camouflage from prey. Now, chameleons don't have ears, but they do have an inner ear, and they hear through vibration. So they don't hear like you and I. Chameleons live in trees, and they are solitary, so they don't really like to be around other chameleons. Chameleons have a very interesting grip, so they have fused toes, 2 on one side, 3 on the other, and this helps them to grip trees. So they are very good at climbing, and they're very good at holding on to trees. Now, the life cycle of a chameleon is pretty typical for a lizard. They start as eggs. Now, these eggs are underground. So the female chameleon will go down and have her eggs in the ground, bury them, and they're there for anywhere from 2 weeks to a few months. Then when they hatch, a baby chameleon is called a hatchling, and they usually live 2 to 20 years, again, depending on the size and type of chameleon. Now, we're finished our sketch note. When you're done with your sketch note, one of the things I like to do is add color, and sometimes I'll add frames around certain content to help pull my eye through and organize the information. This is a great form of note-taking, but you do need to make sure that you can look back at it later and understand what you've done. So before you walk away, just make sure that things make sense. If there's anything else you need to add, I would add it in, just a little picture or word here and there. And again, those colors can really help to pull information together and to help catch your attention for important facts. All right, everybody, I hope you've enjoyed this sketchnote example about chameleons, learned a little bit about chameleons, and of course, had fun today. Thanks so much. Like, subscribe, all that stuff, and bye.